My name is Bobby Chemmanur. Friends call me Boche. I'm from Kerala. Well, I'm very close friend of Maradona. Yes, I'm a businessman, jeweler and banker, and so hospitality business and all there. More than that, I'm also sportsman, 812-kilometer run, unique world record and Guinness record, world peace and India record, Limca, many records and all there. We were very thick friends, me and Diego Maradona. So now we are conducting a journey from Kerala to Qatar, FIFA World Cup. So we started around 2 weeks back from Kerala by road, carrying the statue of, golden statue of Diego Maradona, that is. So the story behind what's the reason for this journey, it starts from the guilty conscience. When we were in Dubai, I gifted a golden football to Maradona, but he refused. He said, I don't want this football. What I want, my favorite goal, that is world famous goal, hand of God goal, that is in 5.5 feet height, life size, in gold. Then that time I thought I will do it later on. But I never expected Maradona will die so soon. That's why it's made me guilty. That's why the reason it's made the statue and we are started. One more reason is there. Of course, you know, Maradona was drug addict and he lost his health, sports, money, everything. Around 60 years old, he's passed away. But 6-7 years back, Maradona stopped drugs completely, and he was using only liquor. Then he decided through Boche and Maradona Fans Charitable Trust to convey the world, don't use drugs, against drugs. And he made a punchline that time, football addiction against drug addiction. This was his punchline, message. He used to say, I lost everything because drugs. So that message also, actually idea was this message, and I requested Maradona, we India need a team for FIFA World Cup. India should play next FIFA World Cup. He said he will support through AFA, Argentina Football Academy, bring international trainers to India, and for the selected students, give training and mold a Indian team. Because always I request Maradona, because India is having 140 crores population, and are we not able to select 11 persons? It's really shame. So we all working for that. This is the start of that. So these two, against drugs and India should play World Cup, these two messages with Maradona and team decided to inaugurate in India that time, but it's not happened. I don't know, now he's playing football with angels in heaven or So we, Boche and Maradona Fans Charitable Trust, take care of this and started this journey, and we are working for that. And also we are working for the support of the government also. So this is the reason for this journey, and between the journey to contest also conducted to promote students, especially college and schools we visit mostly. One is take selfie of golden statue of Maradona and share with share tag whatever it is with Boche Instagram. Then you may get a football winner. It's 22 carat golden football worth lakhs. That is. And one more contest, take a video of hand of God and reels with Bochensta again. Those person can come with me to Qatar with a free FIFA World Cup.
The generation of India today, that we need to have a drug-free zone at all campuses, in all schools, and even in the public places. So we've stopped the junctions and slots where we can conduct an event where we express the message of Maradona, and also for the public at a social cause. So this is a message that it should be football addiction against drug addiction.
So you're traveling around in Rolls Royce?
We are traveling in a Rolls Royce, and we also have other premier vehicles along with us. So that's again another kind of rally that attracts the younger generation as well.